In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open on a specific page on Google Chrome. If you want Chrome to jump straight to your favorite site the moment it launches, this is the setting you need. Google calls it the On Startup setting, and it takes less than a minute to set up. Start in Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left sidebar, find and select On Startup. Here, pick Open a specific page or set of pages. Next, click Add a new page. Type the full web address you want to open automatically. For example, www.youtube.com. Then click Add. That's it. The next time you open Chrome, it will load that page right away. A quick tip: double-check the address and include HTTPS if the site uses it, so Chrome lands exactly where you expect. If you prefer a faster route to the same place, you can jump straight to that settings screen. Click the address bar, type Chrome/settings/on-startup, and press Enter. You'll arrive at the on-startup page instantly, ready to add or change sites. You're not limited to just one page. If you want several sites to appear in separate tabs at startup, maybe your email, a video platform, a social network, and an online classroom, simply repeat. Add a new page for each address you want. Chrome will open all of them together when it starts. Keep in mind that many tabs can slow down the initial load, so choose the ones you truly need every day. Already have the exact tabs open that you want to use every morning? There's a handy shortcut for that. On the same screen, click Use Current Pages. Chrome will save every tab you currently have open as your startup set. It helps to close any extras first, so only the essentials are captured. Before we wrap up, a quick clarification that prevents confusion. A startup page is what opens when Chrome launches. A home page is what opens when you click the home button. They're separate settings, so changing one doesn't change the other. And that's all there is to it. Open settings, go to On Startup, choose to open a specific page or set of pages, add your sites, or use your current pages. Restart Chrome to test it, and enjoy landing exactly where you want every time. If your routine changes, you can return to the same setting anytime to edit or remove pages with just a few clicks.